Hey everyone, today we're talking net income versus cash burn. What are they, and aren't they effectively the same thing? Now, this one is interesting because I've seen a lot of finance people and accountants say that they basically are, but that is absolutely not true, particularly for any company with plans of going public. That's because C corporations need to use what's called GAAP or accrual accounting. So in order to really understand why, we need to talk about the differences between cash accounting and accrual accounting. Accrual accounting is what public companies need to use to report to investors. And it was created so that investors and the company, frankly, can have a better picture of what their actual profitability is by lining up the expenses associated with revenue with the time when they actually receive the revenue. The confusing part is that that doesn't always line up with when you actually receive the cash, which is how you would account for it in cash accounting. Connor, what on earth are you talking about? Okay, let's make it really simple. There's a client of ours that works with the government. And when you work with the government, they typically need to pay you all up front. But they're going to deliver their service over a 2 or 5 year period. And therefore, they're receiving a bunch of cash initially, but that cash isn't actually being earned by delivering the service until maybe 12 or 18 or 24 months from now. Accrual accounting simply takes that cash, spreads it out over the 24-month period, and then aligns it with the costs that you are going to incur to actually deliver the service. Okay. Bringing it full circle here. Net income is the income that you recognize on your income statement based on the revenue that is recognized in that period and the costs associated with it. It's basically a way to understand the profitability of your actual service offering. Your change in cash, or for the average startup, your cash burn, is the amount of money that actually comes into and leaves your bank account during the period. I hope that was helpful. If you have any other questions around the differences in the income statement or the cash flow statement or how to monitor cash flow or what your profitability is, shoot us a note and we'll be happy to talk about it.